Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely looking Golf 2 litre GTD in the best colour, graphite grey. It's got the active cruise control, absolutely unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels. Paintwork is absolutely fantastic. Rear park distance control, twin exhaust. Drives absolutely superb. Okay, that's in lovely condition. Cam belt's been replaced. Boot area's in lovely condition. Special GTI interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Sport seats. It's done 108,907 miles. Golf GTD steering wheel. It's got heated seats, 3-stage heated seats. Got satellite navigation, Bluetooth, different modes of driving it. DJH, we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.